Okay, ngayon tatalakayin natin kung paano mag-evaluate ng isang mathematical equation using the GM-DAS rule. Okay, so we have the first example, 7 times 2 minus 9 plus 2. So, GM-DAS stands for the groupings, G for the group, M for the multiplication, D for division, A is for addition, and S is for subtraction. So, sa GM-DAS rule, kailangan mauna muna nating i-perform ang multiplication or division. Depende sa kung sino yung nag-appear sa left. Then, saka tayo magpe-perform ng addition or subtraction. Then, don't forget na simplify muna natin yung nasa groupings. When you say groupings, ito yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. So, like this, for example, ang unahin natin i-evaluate dito ay yung 9 plus 2 kasi sila yung naka-group. So, 9 plus 2 is 11. Then, kopyahin muna natin yung mga natitirang mga numbers. Then, next natin is i-multiply kasi nauna yung multiplication. So, 7 times 2 is 14. And minus 11. So, 14 minus 11 is equals to 3. So, the answer is 3. Okay, next, let's have the second equation or expression. So, 6 divided by 3 times 11 minus 4. Okay, so sa expression na to, pwede nating i-perform sila ng sabay, yung dalawang nakagroup na yan. So, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then, times natin sa 11 minus 4, which is 3. So, 2 times 3 is equals to 6. So, the answer is 6. Okay, next. Okay, next naman is yung number 3. So, we have 9 times 3 plus 20 minus 18. Okay, so G, yung nakagroup muna ang ating isimplify. So, 20 minus 18 is 2. Then, 9 times 3 ay 27. So, pwede nating i-perform na yung pagmumultiply. Separated naman sila ng addition. So, 27 plus 2 is 29. So, that is the answer. Next, 47 minus 17 plus 10 times 3. Ay, separate. Okay, plus 10 times 3. So, dito, unahin natin i-simplify yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. 47 minus 17 ay 30. Then, pwede na rin natin i-perform ang multiplication. So, 10 times 3 is 30. So, 30 plus 30, the answer is 60. So, the final answer is 60. Next, we have number 5. So, 10 divided by, may bracket nang involved. Bracket. Okay, so dito sa expression na to, equation na to, unahin nating i-simplify yung mas inner na group, itong 2 times 2. So, 2 times 2 ay 4. Then, 9. Kopyahin yung 10. Then, simplify natin yung 9 minus 4. That is 5. Then, kopyahin natin yung 10. 10 divided by 5 ay 2. So, the answer is 2. Okay, next. 3 plus 6 times 5 plus 4. So, again, simplify muna natin naka-group na 5 plus 4 sa 9. Tapos, kopyahin natin yung mga number. So, dito, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-add. Okay? So, unahin natin, follow natin yung MDAS rule na una yung mag-multiply. So, 6 times 9 ay 54. So, saka mo i-add yung 3. Kaya the answer is 57. Okay, next. So we have 25 plus 11 times 2 divided by 9. Okay, simplify muna natin itong naka-group na 25 and 11. So, this will become 36. So, times 2 divided by 9. So, again, following the MDAS rule, naunang nag-appear ang multiplication, kaya siya yung una nating ipe-perform. So, 36 times 2 is 72. Then, divided by 9, that is 8. Okay, next, number 8. 100 minus 16 divided by 12 minus 5. Okay, so 100 minus 16 muna. So this is 84. So divide natin sa 12 minus 5. So unahin natin mag-divide kasi MDAS, following the MDAS rule, division muna bago mag-subtract. So 84 divided by 12 ay 7. Then minus 5. 7 minus 5 ay 2. Okay, and we have number 9. 8 divided by 4 times 5 plus 9. Okay. So, unahin natin i-simplify ang 5 plus 9. So, magiging 14 times 4 is 8. So, dito, nauna ang division nag-appear. So, magdi-divide muna tayo. So, 8 divided by 4 ay 2. Then, i-add mo sa 14. So, the answer is 28. And last number, 81 divided by 20 plus 7 times 6. Okay, so simplify ang 20 plus 7, 27. Kopyahin. So, dito, kailangan nating mag-perform muna ng division kasi nauna yung division sa left. So, 81 divided by 27 ay 3. And times 6 is 18. So, this is now the answer.